Hi everyone, so this is my first unboxing video. I had the luxury of receiving this gift by Duolife. It is a supplement product and it's supposed to help with mitochondrial DNA and cell regeneration, and it's all natural, all vegan. As you all know, I love anything that's natural and anything that's good for my body. So let's get to this product in the first unboxing video. Alright, so I just used my nifty box cutter to open this up. So let's get to it, guys. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay, I actually have some free samples, some premium toothpaste. Ooh, you know I love a good toothpaste. So this is for the night, and there's one for the morning. Okay. I also have a nice welcome letter from Duolife. Now, let's check these bottles out. Okay. So there's 2 bottles in here. Whoa. So this is the Day Duolife. Look how beautiful this bottle is. The design is gorgeous. And then let's check out this one. This is obviously the night one. And again, such beautiful design. These bottles are glass, so you have to definitely be careful. And each shot should be taken in a shot glass. Yeah, because they're fancy like that. It comes with this is a catalog or a magazine of the Duolife. So I'm gonna definitely be reading this before I go to bed or in the morning just to wake myself up. So just a quick recap of the product that I received from Duolife. If you guys can see it, sorry, I'm gonna back it up. So that is the day, and this is the night. In a few weeks, I'm going to come back and tell you about my experience with this product, and hopefully you can join me on this journey of natural products that help regenerate your body and also make you feel really good. So thanks guys for my first unboxing, and just comment below on how you like these amazing gorgeous bottles. All right guys, bye.